Four smart tools every content creator needs. First one being the CANVA.com, the free software tool that allows you to design your YouTube thumbnails with available templates, barely an inconvenience. For me, all I do is go to my phone's browser, and mind you, Canva is available for every devices, and you even get an application you can download from either your Play Store or your App Store, but you have even more features you can access when you're using the web version. Create an account if you don't have one, and after you've successfully done so, you proceed to search for the YouTube thumbnails. You're going to have a lot and so many arrays of designs pop up. So you choose whatever template you love that best describe your thumbnail, and you make some few adjustments in text and maybe pictures. You input what you want, and you even have the opportunity to design from the scratch. After you're done designing, you can then proceed to download your thumbnail. Matter of fact, I use Canva a lot to design my YouTube thumbnail. So even the thumbnail for this video you're watching is an entire work of Canva. The next tool, which is unarguably the best free video editing software right now, is CAPCUT. You can have the CAPCUT application downloaded on any device at all, and it even has a software that allows you to download them into your computers, be it the Windows or the MacBook. This app honestly gives you everything you need to edit your videos without dropping your video quality. There are so many features in this app that when you get used to, you can use it to create very beautiful, engaging, and amazing videos. CapCut has amazing transition and effects, and even has a feature that allows you to generate captions and subtitles automatically without having to type them out manually. And it doesn't require any third-party application to do this. Such an amazing free video editing software. It is definitely worth giving a try. The next tool is more of an SEO that allows you to grow your channel as a creator here on YouTube. And some of the SEO tools we have are the VIDIQ and the TUBEBUDDY. Personally, I use the VIDIQ. VIDIQ is available as both application and also has the web version, which is directly plugged into your YouTube channel if you're using a computer. For a beginner, VidIQ gives you free access to their plugin to optimize your YouTube channel until you are able to upgrade it to a certain plan. While on the free plan, you have limited access to enjoy at least 3 AI-generated titles per day, free keyword researches, and you can also track up to 3 competitors in your niche. You can access even more features while on the free plan if you're using VidIQ in your channel with a computer. So every creator on YouTube needs either of this SEO tool to optimize their YouTube channel and get proper engagement. The next tool is more like a solution that most creators on YouTube make, myself inclusive. That mistake is sharing your YouTube link across platform by directly copying the link from your channel and pasting it to other platforms without proper optimization. So you see that thing where you click on a YouTube link from maybe Instagram story or Facebook, and it opens up a video within Instagram or Facebook, and that person is not logged in, and that view is not giving you a proper analytics, and there is not even an option for them to subscribe or like or even comment because they're not signed in, and you don't want that for your channel, which is why you should always optimize your YouTube link with LinkedTwin before sending them across any social media platform. So when you copy the link to any video in your channel, you type out LinkedTwin in your browser and paste the link there to give you a much optimized URL, which you will then copy that one and paste it across any platform you love to. So when a user clicks on that optimized URL you copied from LinkedTwin on any platform, it will open the YouTube video directly inside their YouTube application. This allows every engagement in your channel, not minding whatever platform they came from, count. So as a creator, you should be using the LinkedTwin to optimize your video links before sending them out on any platform. It is super easy to use and barely an inconvenience. I hope you found this useful. Kindly subscribe, like, and tell us what you think about these tools for every creator in the comments below.